General Officer Commanding-in-Chief Northern Command, Lieutenant General D.S. Hooda, speaking to reporters, said, as regards the Budgam killings, the highest level of transparency will be followed in the probe.
It will be our focus to ensure that there are no repeats of such incidents in future. We would be grateful to receive any suggestions, any advice from the civil society, from the population at large on how we can improve our procedures so that not a single innocent life is lost. As you are all aware, an inquiry has been ordered. It commenced on the very next day, that is the 4th of November. As of now, 15 civilian witnesses have already been examined. The service witnesses have been examined. I want to assure everyone here that the highest standards of truth and the highest standards of transparency will be followed. Good afternoon, gentlemen.
General Hooda said specific do's and don'ts have been passed on for conduct of operations to the troops. He not only termed the Budgam killings unfortunate, but he also added that full cooperation will be given to the families of the victims.
We have very specific do's and don'ts for conduct of operations which have been passed on to the troops. These have been very clearly spelled out, and if there has been any violation of these, we will deal with it appropriately. The circumstances under which this very unfortunate incident has taken place, this is being investigated as of now. But let me just state this very clearly, that we take responsibility for what has happened. And as part of that responsibility, we would like to assure the families of our fullest support, our fullest cooperation. As an immediate measure, an amount of rupees 10 lakh for each of the deceased and 5 lakhs for those injured has been approved by the Ministry of Defence.
Powered by NNIS.